Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to find a solution about Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Google Classroom. Then this page of app info we click on first stop. Then we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. After that, you'll enter to to Play Store. You will search about your app here, Google Classroom. You can click uninstall and you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.